Hello everyone, my name is Kiko Litang Shao. I'm one of the commission composer of this UPROAR project. My title of the piece is Floating Theatre. The original concept for this piece is from the sea and the ocean. I have always been fascinated to the sea. I like to watch the wave rising and falling, so always reflect my lots of the memory and the emotion. This is my first time to explore the musicality of the water, so I hope the audience can feel the water can be part of the instrument in the music, and then how the water can interact the music color and within the musical texture. I hope the audience can expect to hear the Chinese flavor and Chinese characteristic, some Chinese traditional instrument in this piece. So that's why I incorporate the Chinese symbols.